SignalHound's VNA400 ensures accuracy through rigorous calibration and verification. This product shows the commitment to precision in SignalHound's VNA400 through its calibration and verification process. And at SignalHound, we understand that accuracy is paramount. That's why every VNA400 undergoes a comprehensive calibration and verification process before it leaves our facility, ensuring it meets our stringent specifications right out of the box. Our device calibration verifies that our time base, RF sources, couplers, and receivers all meet our specifications. This ensures that our VNA hardware will be able to make accurate and repeatable measurements. The math for using a calibration kit to remove errors from a VNA's source match, load match, and directivity has existed for decades. But for stable, repeatable measurements, this uncorrected error should be relatively small, which we verify on every unit we ship. For the final step in the verification process, we leverage Maury Insight software and a verification kit with uncertainty data. Verification standards transmit and reflect at different phases and amplitudes than the calibration standards, catching even subtle errors in your calibration. This step verifies that SignalHound's VNA400 can make accurate 1- and 2-port measurements for any device. Here we see standard measurements against a factory reference. The green shaded area indicates our measurement uncertainty band. The purple shaded area represents the verification standards uncertainty band. With this information, we can check our measurement against the verification standards data and verify the measurement is accurate within the expected combined uncertainty. With SignalHound's VNA400, you're getting not just a high-performance instrument, but a guarantee of accuracy that comes from our commitment to rigorous calibration and verification. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below. Like, follow, and subscribe for more SignalHound and RF content.